Hello everyone, I am Krishna Vamshi Ganduri, PhD scholar in robotics, working under Dr. Bhargav Prajwal, Oxford University. I would like to introduce the future of safety with the drones. These drones we are utilizing for the firefighting areas, in industrial areas and building areas. A state-of-the-art autonomous drone designed to revolutionize firefighting in industries and buildings, as well as enhance agricultural practices. This 5 kg lifting drone is equipped with a cutting-edge thermal vision camera, making it an indispensable tool for detecting people in emergency situations.
So, what's the purpose of this drone? There are two purposes of this drone. The primary one is the firefighting in industries and buildings. The thermal cameras we used in this drone helps the firefighters to accumulate the data of the fire and humans and differentiating between them. This data helps the firefighters to help the people who are caught in fire. The secondary purpose of this drone. The drone is used in agriculture sector. The thermal cameras and AI vision cameras that we use in this drone helps the farmers to accumulate the data of the crop and helps the farmers to gain more yield.
So, this drone is a groundbreaking solution by integrating new technologies in agriculture and firefighting. Its autonomous capabilities using thermal vision camera enhances safety, efficiency and productivity across the industries. Welcome to the new era of innovation with the drone, where safety and converge efficiency.